How to create dynamic drop-down list in Excel. So let's see, if I'm going to select the type of device, and in here the list must be changing dynamically. If I select a mobile, and here the list supposed to come this as the list, and if I select laptops, this is the list it's supposed to come, and if I select desktops, this is the list it's supposed to come, right? Okay, let's see how we can do it. Okay, first of all, we have to retrieve the particular column number from this one. Okay, so if I select a desktop, I supposed to retrieve the column number as 3, right? And if I select mobile device, if the column number supposed to come here, so I'm going to give the match function here, and the lookup value will be, this is the cell I'm going to look up, and the lookup array will be, this is the array, and the exact match. Close the bracket. You see, I got 1, and if I select mobile, which is 1, if I select laptop, which is 2, and if I select desktop, which is 3. I must create an additional list. In here we will retrieve the data with respect to this column number, and this list we are going to reference here as a data validation, so that that list can be dynamically changes each time this column number changes. Let's see how it works. Equal sign index, and the array will be, this is the array, and the row number will be 1, because here the row will be always 1, and I am giving 1, and you will understand why I have given 1, and the column number will be this one, and close the bracket. You see, in desktops, I have selected desktops, the first name will be Razer in that list, right? If I select mobile device, the first name is Apple, and do that for the remaining list also. For example, I can do that same by copying the same formula, but the row number is 2, right? You see, something like that. And I can do it with the third row with the third row number, fourth row with the fourth row number, fifth row with the fifth row number, and the last row with sixth row number. You see, whenever I select a particular type of device, this entire data is changing according to this column number, right? Fine. Now it's time to reference it with the data validation. Go to data validation and list, and the source is, this is the source. Click OK. You see, the data is changing. If I select mobile device, the list is changed to mobile data, and if I select laptops, the list is changed to laptops data, right? And if I select desktops, the list is changed to the desktop device types. And now I can hide all these things in the background. See, this is how it works, the dynamic drop down in Excel. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also press that bell icon so that you will get notified when we post a new video.